today we have started one tutorial on YouTube about the real estate terminologies. In the first video you are giving you the difference between built up area and carpet area. There are lots of confusion about built up area and carpet area. Now let's do that. Today I will try to understand you about the difference between built up area and carpet area. As you know, there are three types of built area: super built up area and carpet area. Built up area is the area of the slab out to out or area of flat from out to out wall or outer face. Means it is calculated out to out of slab area. Carpet area is the area inside wall to wall, that is in the area of the wall area between two walls, that is in the area which can we lay our carpet. In normal terms we can say like that. For example, if we take the room size, one room of 10 feet by 10 feet, outer to outer wall and brickwork of partition wall, that is 4.5 inch thick brick wall, it comes to 0.37 foot. Then the built up area is out to out, it is 10 into 10 is 100 square foot. Then the carpet area is total area, that is built up area minus the wall area. The wall area is thickness of the wall multiplied 2 times, 2 of the sides, then another 2 of the sides. So it comes to 85.56 square feet. So it means that the loading or the deduction from built up area to carpet area is 15% to 20% in basic single one room as we seen above. And super built up, for more rooms it will go up to 25 to 30%. In actual built up area, if we add common areas like passage, foyers and general utility like clubhouse or etc., it is called super built up area. So we conclude like this: super built up area is equal to common amenities plus built up area, and built up area is equal to room area plus wall area, that is the thickness of wall. We have to include like this. And we also like to say that this is the basic concept of understanding normal people to have difference between built up area and carpet area and super built up area. Our purpose for this tutorial is to make general awareness about the real estate terminology for knowledge only. Please note, there are various norms of super built up area according to the area of the project and may vary on site to site.
Thank you, friend.
Thank you, friends. Let's